Here's how you can stop random people texting you on your iPhone. Well, in case you have a, regular iMessage account or whatever, and you use the Messages app, because obviously you can use WhatsApp and other messaging tools. Well, I'm going to cover the first one right there. So essentially what you got to do is to set up a filtering for unknown senders. It's not like you can block every single person who texts you. It doesn't really work that way, but you can hide it away and you can get to it when you want, but it doesn't stand in the way. It doesn't annoy you all the time. This works by going to the settings of your iPhone, then opening up the apps section, and you gotta just find the messages right here. And plenty of options here available, of course, but at the bottom or somewhere closer to the bottom, you have the filtering unknown senders. And in case random people text you, then these are by definition unknown senders. And when you have this option turned on, make sure this toggle is green. What it's going to do is that it's going to sort those messages from random people texting you into a different folder, which isn't going to show up all the time you go to the Messages app. And in real life, this is what it looks like. Well, you open up the messages and you have all of the like regular conversations and chats, which you, of course, always go into. But when you want to see the other people who you don't know who are perhaps texting you, what you can do is to tap on this filters button right there and go to unknown senders. And if there are like random people who just send you text messages, they're going to show up right here. So they don't stand in the way. They don't clutter up your main inbox, but you can still access it in case you want to. So this is how it works on iPhone. Obviously, for the different apps, it's completely different and they have their own settings, but I'm just covering the main text. So hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe below, and I'm going to catch you in the next tutorial.